Hello friends, in this video, I will provide you the important information regarding All India Quota Counseling to get the admission into MBBS, BDS and BSc nursing courses. This All India Quota Counseling is going to be conducted by MCC Medical Council Committee. In MCC official website for All India Quota Counseling, they released All India Quota Counseling schedule for 4 rounds. This is the official website of MCC. Click on UG Medical. In Medical UG only, we get the latest notifications regarding MBBS, BDS and BSc nursing counseling process. Here you can see e-services and schedule. The second one is candidate activity board. Third one is news and events. Fourth one is important links. Actually, till now, they didn't delete the 2023 counseling data. Okay, including 2023 data also, they have provided the 2024 counseling data. Okay, now recently, now on July 29th, we received the information regarding NEET counseling for 2024 in 2 notifications. The first notification is notice for commencement of NEET UG counseling 2024. That means on which day this All India Quota counseling is going to be started. That will be given through public notice. And the second notification is they have given the counseling schedule for UG 2024. And here you can see the second column is candidate activity board. After the counseling process starts, you have to register by click on new registration tab. Okay. Next one, important links. Here you can see the type of institutions are participating in All India Quota counseling will be displayed at this place. But as of now, 2023 data also available in this website. But in few hours, this data will be deleted. Clear? And only 2024 data will be available in this official website. Okay. Next one. When you click on these 2 notifications, then you can see the details. This is the public notice regarding the commencement of All India Quota counseling tentative date. Okay. This All India Quota counseling is going to be started tentatively from August 14th. 2024. But here they mentioned that the registration process for the counseling may begin in the first week of August, but this is not the correct statement. Actually, already they have given a schedule so that you should follow according to the schedule only. Okay. Next one. Here you can see this is the tentative schedule for online counseling allotment process for NEET UG, MBBS, BDS and BSc nursing 2024. To get the admission into All India Quota 15% seats, deemed universities, central universities, all AIMS institutions, and JIPMER in Puducherry and Karaikal institutions. Okay. So for all these institutions, you can participate only through All India Quota counseling. Here you can see for first round, the schedule is given like this. The first one is verification of tentative seat matrix by the participating institutes and NMC. That means the seat matrix for different institutions will be displayed between 14th August to 16th August 2024. Okay. The next one is registration and payment. Registration for counseling will be started from 14th August 2024 and the last date should be 21st August 2024 up to 12 noon only. And for payment up to 21st 3 p.m. Okay, they will accept. And for web options and choice filling, the dates should be 16th to 20th August 2024 up to 11:55 p.m. If you observe these dates, here you can see the registration and application filling will accept up to 21st they have given. But here you can see for web options only up to 20th they have given. That means it might be 20th is by mistake they have printed. Again, they will provide the revised schedule so that you should be in touch with the official website to get the revised schedule because this is the wrong information. Okay. Next one is here processing of seat allotment. To process the web options filled by the candidates to provide the seat allotment. Okay. And the result announcement on 23rd August 2024. Next, reporting and joining 24th August to 29th August. Okay. Next, verification of joined candidates data by institutes, sharing of data by MCC. So after first phase, how many students have reported and joined in allotted colleges, that data will be shared by the institutions in the official website MCC to get ready for phase 2. Okay, so the dates should be 30th and 31st. Okay, by 31st, they will provide the complete information regarding the vacancies available for phase 2. Clear? Next one. Here you can see they took 3 days to provide the seat matrix. Next, 8 days for registration, application filling and payment, and 5 days for web options and choice filling, and 2 days for processing, 1 day for result announcement. Next, reporting and joining, 6 days. Next, to get the information for phase 2, they have provided 2 days. Okay, with this, the first round process will be completed. Clear? Similarly, you can check the second phase schedule also. Same way, you have to see the dates and time and note it down on your notebooks. Okay, registration and payment for phase 2. Suppose if any student doesn't register in first phase, they can do fresh registration in second phase. Okay, only in All India Quota Counseling we have that facility to register in every round. Okay, similarly you can see all these dates. Clear? Next, this is the schedule for round 3. In the same way, here you can see how many days they have allotted for registration process till reporting time. You should note it down on your notebooks. You please put 100 pages notebook and note it down all these dates and timings. Then you never forget to follow the counseling process. Okay. Next one. This is regarding the fourth phase, that is the last phase. Okay. So with this phase, our All India Quota Counseling will be completed. So the last date of counseling closing date is 30th October 2024. With this date, our counseling process will be completed in All India Quota Counseling only. Clear? So I hope this video is very much helpful for you. So I request all the students, those who are having ESIC quota WADA 5P certificate, you must participate in All India Quota Counseling to avail ESIC quota to get the admission into MBBS, BDS and BSc Nursing. And also I am requesting other students also can participate in this All India Quota Counseling to avail seat allotment in all states government colleges through this All India Quota Counseling. And you please keep in touch with the MCC official website and check regularly all the updates you receive instantly and follow accordingly. Okay. Thank you. Wish you all the best. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, All Exams Info. If you have any doubts, please mention in comment box. Definitely, I will try to clarify your doubts. Please like, share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.